Okay, so I'm going to show you how to sew a quick French seam. You'll notice here how the fabric is fraying, so you can't just sew it and leave the seam like this. It'll just keep unraveling. So to do a French seam, what we do is we put the wrong sides together, so you'll be looking at the right side, and we are going to sew it at 1/4 inch, 1/4 of an inch here. Just like that. Then you're going to turn it inside out. You can even press it at this stage with an iron to get a real sharp edge there. Tuck all that 1/4 inch seam in. Then we're going to sew it at 1/2 inch right here. Get it all straight. And then what you'll see is you have a 5/8 seam. You're going to open it up. You don't see any raw edges. All the raw edges are completely tucked into that French seam. And then I would press it flat, press it open here so you get a nice crisp seam there.
Subscribe to my channel for more great sewing tips.